Good morning everyone, Lego has officially unveiled Lego Minecraft first ever D2C today. On the 1st of August, this 18 plus set 21265, the crafting table, will retail for $90, with a total of 1,195 pieces. The crafting table, as its name implies, is a sizable brick-built replica. In the game, it's utilised to construct a variety of tools, objects and other items. The crafting table block has two sides that open that reveal a vibrant Lego Minecraft micro-world, constructed out of brick. With a floor plan of 15 by 15 centimeters, the micro-world is even smaller than the original Lego Minecraft sets from 2013 and 2014. The micro-world consists of 5 detachable and recognisable microscale components based on current biome. The biome locations are a cherry grove with an abandoned mineshaft, ice spikes with an igloo, plains with a little settlement, and the deep dark with a lush cave. Without microfigures, however, this beautiful micro-world would be incomplete, and the set contains 8 of them. These include a pig, a villager, a cow, a skeleton, a witch, a creeper, and Steve and Alex. Additionally, the crafting table's front can be customized with stickers that showcase the lines from the 15-year-old game. The 8 distinct microfigures can also be shown here, providing a plethora of alternative play and presentation options. What do you think of the first ever Lego Minecraft D2C 18 plus model? When the set comes out, would you buy it? Do you think this is a good idea for the gaming theme's first D2C? Which other 18 plus sets based on video games available right now would you like to see? Please share your ideas and opinions in the comment section down below. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!